if this is showing up in the camera, but the sun is coming up and there's red lasers shooting through the trees, causing them to light up. It's pretty cool. It's about 6:15 on Saturday, June 1st. Been doing this over 30 days. First month. Rocky's a badass. And I hope that sleeping bag is fire resistant. So these are the foothills of the Roan Mountain. I think we're gonna do another 3 miles and then take a slight break. It's probably 12:30, quarter to 1. And then we got the Roan Mountain. It's gonna be sleeping at the top tonight, which is gonna be the highest shelter on the AT. So I'm looking forward to that. But check out that little farmhouse. So there was a hotel up here back in the day, I guess early 19th century, called the Cloud Hotel. And I get it, we're at 6,000 feet, but there's not much left there. This is a mailbox. Or a garbage can with the, it used to be a bubbler, as Riggs would say. Drinking fountain. See a house over there? Am I going the right way? To Appalachian Trail. That's pretty cool. You have a fireplace on one of the trails in Staten Island too. Huh. Wonder if there was a hotel there as well. I don't make this up. It's on shuffle. This is on my like playlist, but reached the shelter and I'm surrounded by pines as this song plays. 0.3 miles up.
Flow is terrible.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah.
40 miles plus in 2 days. This is the, what's this place called again? Roan Mountain Shelter. The highest shelter in the AT. So this is it. This is where we're gonna be for the night. And I think we did a good job busting our ass to get here because thunderstorms tonight. We're on a forecast.
It looks like there's gonna be rain.
All right. Hope the rest of the crew makes it in. And yeah, this is where we're gonna be. I wonder if the upstairs is nicer than the downstairs. I was hoping there'd be a fireplace in here too. Shit, that would have been perfect.
Yeah, I looked and I was like, dang it. That's not...
Nah. No fireplace. This shelter has an upstairs. It's kind of like just an attic, but no, our theory is that heat rises, but it does feel a little warmer up here. But there are some drafts coming in too now that I think about it. But I think we're gonna give it a shot up here, but this is what it looks like up here. It is very cool having 4 walls. I think it's the first time ever in our shelters had 4 walls. Tiny bit of service up here, goes in and out. Yeah, and I think we're all just exhausted. So it's gonna be an early night. It's only around 6. What time is it? 6 something. It is 6 o'clock. Wow. Pretty good today. So I think we're gonna probably pass on having a fire even. It's a little cold and windy out. So we might just bunker down here. There goes mice. What are you doing up here? Yep, there's definitely mice. Get out of here. Oh, they're fast. Can you see them? I see you up there. He's jumping around. All right, correction. It was not 2 20-mile days. I was definitely wrong. I forgot about the 2-hour lunch we took yesterday. So it was a 12-mile day yesterday and a 20-plus mile day today.
11 a.m.
Yeah. So I was just overexcited. This is tiredness and yeah. Coffee time. Roan Mountain. There's supposed to be a good view around here somewhere. Just don't see it yet. Group of people there, barely see them. It's all right on top of them. A little placard describing the views. It's 2 o'clock. About to eat lunch. This is what the top of Little Hump looks like. But I think it's cool because it looks like we're headed back into the forest. Let's take a look. Yeah. Wow. Looks good this way. Bam!
That's the direction we gotta go.
So we're headed that way. There's Riggs walking off into the mist. Kind of looks like a Christmas tree farm. Peace out, North Carolina. It was a good one. Use at your own risk. They have a separate entrance for us, hiker trash. You feel privileged?
Yes.
Go ahead, let's go.
Use that own risk.
Oh, that's nothing. Nice. Wow. AT. It's beautiful here. Unfortunately, I don't have any more bunks for us, so we're gonna try a new one called the Refuge. They got Starlink here. Alright, so we made it up to the Refuge, which is an awesome hiker hostel up here about a mile up the road. They built it by hand. Maybe not by hand, but they did it themselves.
Some stuff for sure.
Alright, let's get a good look around. Wood burning stove. Little library. Oh, could be movie night tonight.
Could be movie night.
We-
They do have regular TV channels too.
All right, we had movie night last night, but it was on my phone, so probably not as good as just watching it on TV up there. And bathroom, nice. This is what the bunks look like. Okay, and then washer dryer, kitchen.
Shuttle to town.
Boom. Fridge, microwave, toaster oven.
Yeah.
And then we have a nice little resupply over here.
Cool.
Oh, spicy ramen. Mmm. And tons of tuna packs. They got the honey barbecue one, Kat.
I know, I just told them. Look how many
Yeah.
there are, too.
Yeah.
I mean, we might need
Grab
to
the
go
pulled
into town
pork.
to get some other stuff.
Yeah.
So.
I definitely want to support them here and they'll buy as much as I can here for them.
Yeah.
Help them out. Candy bars. And then they got a full fridge of... Let's see.
Good stuff.
Wow. Okay. We're good.
What, they got Hot Pockets?
Yeah. Mm. I haven't had ice cream.
Is anyone else desperate for the shower?
Another sock casualty. I gotta find the right combo so they last a little bit more than 150 something miles. Free Freezy Pops.
Just where's down? Yeah.
And free pizza. Somebody left it. And I just put on Shrek. It's number 6 in movies on Netflix. We've been talking about Shrek the whole trip. So this is the soda that's local to Irwin, where we're at the Taco Bell. Somebody was drinking it. They said it's the best one, so we're gonna try it out. Cheers. Zero sugar. It tastes like Sprite. Not that impressed.
Whatever's
Yeah, and that resupply
in that recent.
room.
Hot Pockets and butter pecan ice cream. I might just stay here for at least a couple days.
Weaker openers, but still obviously pretty damn good. The thing is,
So today's our 0 day, and my fellow nerd over here and I are watching some SC2.
Oh, yeah.
right, on a map like this, it's very different.
Babe, it's another sweet Jeep. We're taking a Appalachian Station at 19E shuttle into town, and then Riggs is going to Unicoi to do a little bit of pickup and send. Craft beer, music, food. So we are at the station. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit while Riggs goes into town. So it figures the only place that has great beer in town. We find these guys. Cheers. Cheers, cheers. We'll get you another one. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers!
All right.
Same.
How many miles did you do yesterday?
25.
25. These guys are beasts.
Is that your biggest day yet? Yeah.
Cause you. So $2 mystery beer, but Riggs isn't here. But check out what we have to do to get the mystery beer. We gotta roll the die.
Nice.
All right. Ready? Boom.
And you got 1, which is an odd number. And
Okay.
And 1 and 8.
8.
No,
1,
18.
18.
18.
1 and 18. Mystery beer coming up. I can't wait. This is the best deal ever. Even if it's like a PBR, I'm gonna be a good. Black cherry is my favorite.
Is it really?
Black cherry lime. It's like a cherry limeade. This is so perfect for me. You knew it. 18. Winner, winner. That's a good one. Great sign. We'll see. I think I can fight one. Another member of the tramway that plays guitar. 3 guitars, 1 tram. Yeah, put them up.
You were lying, bro. It's just 18?
Yeah, 18 years old.
Okay, that's not that impressive then. I was thinking like 2 months, maybe.
Yeah, give me your leg. Damn it, too smooth.
I do it,
Lame.
I take that off. I do it for every time.
Caffeine.
Sorry about that.